Well, hello and good morning. It's the day after the blizzard. Boy, you can barely see out my windows today. Yep. Well, I guess it was a hell of a day. Hey, I actually parked in a parking spot straight. You can't really tell from here, but that's our update for the day, and we hope there's going to be plenty of business. So, everybody enjoy the ride to work. Please drive slow. Do not try to spin out, and let's have some fun today. Thank you, everybody, and enjoy your afternoon. Back to you, Bob, and one of these days we're going to find that TV station where I keep saying back to Bob.